Toyota's CEO has just wowed everyone with his announcement of the all-new $12,000 pickup truck. If you've watched truck prices spiral out of control and wondered when someone would finally build an affordable work truck again, this is the answer you've been waiting for. But cheap price won't be its only strength, as Toyota's Hilux Champ will deliver superior payload capacity, longer cargo beds, and infinitely configurable chassis options for less than half the price of its rivals. The pickup everyone wants. Walk onto any job site and you'll hear the same frustration. You're forced to choose between spending $35,000 on a crossover-based pickup that can't handle serious work or dropping $50,000 plus on a mid-sized truck that's overkill for your needs. Neither option makes financial sense when you're trying to run a profitable operation. The Maverick promised affordability but rides on a unibody platform borrowed from the Ford Escape, which limits true work capacity. When you're loading it with materials day after day, the platform shows its limitations. The Hilux Champ takes a different path. When your livelihood depends on a truck showing up and working hard without complaint, you need proven bones underneath. Toyota engineered this truck on the same IMV platform that underpins the legendary Hilux. That means body-on-frame construction, a proper ladder chassis, and components proven to survive the harshest conditions. Therefore, you're getting a truck that can take the punishment of commercial use without constant worry about exceeding design limits. Real numbers matter when calculating whether a truck can do your job. The Maverick maxes out at 1,500 pounds of payload. The Hilux Champ hauls 2,646 pounds, more than most mid-size trucks and matching some full-size models. Towing capacity reaches 5,500 pounds, exceeding both the Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz. These aren't incremental improvements. They're game-changing differences. But the genius of the Hilux Champ goes beyond raw capability. Every business has unique needs, and cookie-cutter solutions rarely work perfectly. Yes, you can buy it as a traditional pickup with a cargo bed. But the real revolution comes in the chassis cab configuration. This is where that $12,000 base price lives, and it's where the truck's true potential explodes. Think of the chassis cab as a blank canvas for your specific business needs. You get the frame, the cab, the powertrain, and the running gear. Everything behind the cab is up to you, which means you're not paying for features you don't need. Want a flatbed for construction materials? Done. Need a box truck for deliveries? Simple. Looking to build a mobile workshop, food truck, or camper? The platform supports all of it. Most commercial upfitters work with expensive full-size trucks pushing total costs past $60,000. That kind of investment requires significant financing, which means interest payments eating into profits for years. The Hilux Champ delivers similar flexibility for a fraction of that investment. This means you can invest in growing your business instead of making truck payments. All this capability sounds perfect, but it means nothing if the truck is too small to actually haul what you need, which is exactly where most budget trucks fall short. Bigger than you think. When people hear about a $12,000 truck, they imagine something tiny. The mental image is probably a cramped cab and a bed that can barely fit groceries. But the Hilux Champ defies expectations with surprisingly generous dimensions. Toyota offers two wheelbase options. The standard version measures 108.3 inches between the axles with 185 inches overall. But remember, this is a single cab design. All that length goes into the cargo bed, not extra seating that sits empty on work trucks. Therefore, even the short wheelbase Hilux Champ features a 5.9-foot bed. Compare that to the Maverick's 4.5-foot bed. Those trucks force you to angle materials, leave the tailgate down, or make multiple trips. Full sheets of drywall don't fit flat. 8-foot 2x4s stick out dangerously. The Hilux Champ's bed eliminates most of those headaches. But the long wheelbase version is where things get really interesting. At 121.5 inches between the axles and 198.4 inches overall, this configuration stretches into mid-sized territory. The cargo bed measures an impressive 7.6 feet. That's longer than most mid-sized truck beds. It rivals the long beds on full-size pickups, except those cost 3 or 4 times more. You can haul full sheets of plywood flat without any overhang. 10-foot lengths of pipe fit without sticking out. The single cab layout maximizes cargo space instead of sacrificing it for rear passengers that most work trucks carry maybe once a week. So the truck has the space and structure to handle serious work, but none of that matters if it guzzles fuel, which brings us to the powertrain that could change everything. Hybrid powertrain. Fuel costs are one of the biggest expenses for anyone using a truck for business. The Thai market gets the Hilux Champ with 3 traditional engines. The base 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder produces 134 horsepower with a 5-speed manual. The 2.7-liter 4-cylinder delivers 160 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. American buyers know this engine from previous generation Tacomas, where it earned a reputation for bulletproof durability. The diesel option uses a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 150 horsepower but packing 295 pound-feet of torque. But American emissions regulations make diesel difficult to certify cost-effectively in this price range, so we're unlikely to see this option stateside. Therefore, Toyota is planning a hybrid powertrain for the US market. The reason is simple economics for anyone using this truck to make money. A hybrid Hilux Champ could potentially achieve 35 to 40 miles per gallon combined, cutting fuel costs dramatically. For a contractor making dozens of stops daily, those savings add up fast. Over a year, the difference could easily be thousands of dollars, money that stays in your pocket. The hybrid setup would 4-cylinder with electric motors and a battery pack. Combined output would reach around 200 horsepower, providing better acceleration than naturally aspirated gas engines. But the real benefit comes in city driving and stop-and-go work situations. Instant torque from electric motors makes the truck feel stronger when pulling away from stops with heavy loads. Toyota's proven hybrid reliability is crucial because downtime costs money when the truck is your business. The company's hybrid systems have demonstrated remarkable durability across millions of vehicles and billions of miles. Taxi fleets run Priuses and Camry hybrids past 300,000 miles routinely. That same reliability in a work truck platform would be transformative. The hybrid approach also keeps the truck affordable. Adding hybrid technology doesn't require exotic materials when you're adapting existing proven systems. Toyota can leverage economies of scale from its other hybrid vehicles. Therefore, the hybrid Hilux Champ can maintain its price advantage while delivering better performance and efficiency. The truck checks every box for capability, size, and efficiency, but the real question is when American buyers can actually get their hands on one, and that answer might come sooner than you think. Time for US launch. The Hilux Champ launched in Thailand and quickly became a phenomenon. Waiting lists stretched for months as buyers rushed to secure one of the most affordable new trucks on the planet. Toyota expanded production and began rolling the truck out to other Southeast Asian markets, then to Africa and the Middle East. But American buyers have been watching and waiting. Social media exploded with coverage, with truck enthusiasts analyzing every detail. The reaction was overwhelmingly enthusiastic. People want this truck in America. Toyota understands the opportunity. After more than a year of real-world testing in harsh conditions, the Hilux Champ has proven its durability. Thousands of units are working daily in Thailand, the Philippines, and across developing markets. They're hauling cargo, supporting small businesses, and demonstrating that simple, affordable trucks still have a place. Therefore, the path to U.S. shores looks increasingly clear. The company needs to finalize powertrain options for American emissions regulations, likely the hybrid system discussed earlier. They must establish production capacity and complete safety certification. But these are solvable problems, not fundamental roadblocks. The Maverick proved massive demand exists for affordable compact trucks. The Hilux Champ offers similar pricing with superior capability. The target market is huge. Contractors, small businesses, fleet operators, and anyone tired of paying luxury car prices for basic transportation. When the Hilux Champ arrives, it won't be a niche curiosity or a stripped-down penalty box. It will be a legitimate alternative that forces every competitor to reconsider their value proposition. How do you justify charging $30,000 for a unibody truck when a more capable body-on-frame option costs $12,000? The answer is you probably can't. The Hilux Champ threatens to reset expectations. It will force the market to respond. Toyota's CEO just proved that building an affordable, capable work truck is still possible when you focus on what actually matters. The Hilux Champ delivers body-on-frame durability, class-leading payload, and towing capacity, cargo beds longer than most midsize trucks, and infinitely configurable chassis cab options for just $12,000. With proven real-world testing complete and a likely hybrid powertrain for U.S. emissions compliance, this truck is expected to arrive within 1 to 2 years and fundamentally reset expectations. For contractors, small businesses, and anyone tired of paying luxury prices for basic work capability, the revolution is coming, and competitors have no easy answer. With all this in mind, it's clear that Toyota has a great opportunity to take over another automotive segment. But if you think it's the only automaker that came up with the idea of undercutting rivals while offering respectable capabilities, wait to see what Stellantis is working on. Check out our video about Ram's $16,000 pickup and their vision of an affordable work machine.